Hi guys. So this feels weird because I haven't filmed in a long time. And I'm currently on day, I've been keeping track in my agenda, which isn't this so cute? I love the purple. Thank you, Mom, to finding this for me. I found it online and then we went to the store to find it. This is off topic, but I couldn't find it and she found it. I love it. Anyway, on day 12 of isolation, I've left the house 2 times in 12 days. The first time was just for like a 10-minute walk. The second time was yesterday to go to the grocery store. So hopefully I didn't catch it. No one coughed or sneezed or was near me really. But day 12 of isolation, I hope you guys are doing good and given the circumstances. But this video is gonna be like a life update, let you know what I've been doing, what's been going on in my life over the past like 6 months or so. Also gonna let you know what's coming up on this channel because I think for the next week there should be a new vlog every single day. I'll explain that after the life update, why I'm gonna have a video every day. And then after those videos, I will maybe do like quarantine related videos. I mean, not related videos. I just wanna like hang out with you guys as much as possible because if you're at home like I am, we're probably all pretty bored. So if you have any video ideas you want me to do, I have a ton of ideas, but if you have any requests, you can let me know in the comments or DM me on Instagram. But this is just wild. It's scary. I actually was scared at the grocery store yesterday. It's just the weirdest feeling. But hopefully I didn't get it yesterday. Like I said, no one like coughed or sneezed, although I read an article this morning that said it can just like survive in the air. So it could just like be there without a person. I don't know if that's true. I mean, I think it is, but anyway. So, life update. By the way, oh, you can kind of see I have recyclables back there. Anyway, oh, another funny thing. Sorry, I haven't filmed in a while, so I'm probably all over the place. But another thing is, the last time I had my hair done was right before Thanksgiving. And then I was so busy up until literally like New Year's, like January. And then from January to pretty much almost March, the beginning of March, like January, February, I was looking for a new place to live and wasn't even thinking about getting my hair done. So now, I was gonna get my hair done last week, canceled that. Now I have literally, let me show you, probably over 2 inches of roots, and who knows when I'm going to be able to get that done. Not that it actually matters, like it doesn't look that bad. That's kind of funny. So by the end of this, maybe my roots will be down to like my eyes. So life update, a lot has happened and changed since like 6 months ago, or was it 7 months ago when I was uploading those couple of videos. Basically my lease was up in Arizona and I had spent pretty much all of 2019 coming to the East Coast almost like every single month, visiting and like discovering, you know, new spots and things. I don't know, just visiting and stuff. So when my lease was up around Thanksgiving, so that was like November, December, January, February, March, April. It's almost April. Almost like 5 months ago, I decided to move. And I didn't just move to a new place in Scottsdale. I didn't just move to somewhere else in Arizona. I decided to move across the country to the East Coast, which I'll be honest, like I don't know if it's because I'm like in quarantine, and so I was like so excited to explore this new city and take you guys along with me because I feel like I'm at a very interesting place in my life right now where I kind of like don't know what I'm doing. It's a little scary, and then now with like the virus, it's like even more to kind of think about. But I decided to move to the East Coast. I never thought I would live on the East Coast again, honestly. Like if I'm being honest, I prefer the West Coast. I just do. I like being warm, I like the sunshine, but I'm here. Not only is it like cold here, but it's just a totally different lifestyle. I'm in a large city now. I moved to DC. I don't know if I already said that, but it's a huge city where like it's kind of like that New York City lifestyle where you don't need a car. So I left my car. I didn't sell it. I didn't want to. I left it at my parents' house. They live in Michigan. so I don't have a car now. Like everything is walking, and you know, you get your groceries and bring them home. Like you walk, just walking everywhere has been so wild. I know that seems maybe very stupid to some people, but like I've never lived that kind of lifestyle. I've always had like the comfort of my car bubble. So not only moving across the entire country, but also just like, I feel like I'm in a different world and my lifestyle has changed a little bit. But I feel like it's a healthier lifestyle. You do walk everywhere. An appointment I had like last month, and it was a 30-minute walk each way. And I thought about Ubering, but I was like, no, let's just, I need to like explore the city and like kind of get to know where I am more. So I did that. It's just, I don't know, it's weird. Maybe to someone who's lived in a big city like for their whole life, I'm seeming like very weird right now. But also, you know what was funny? Like actually just crossing the streets when I first moved here gave me like anxiety, because I was following like the traffic, like stop or go, you know, for pedestrians. And I realized so many people, if there's no cars, they just go. Like it doesn't matter what the signs say. And so I was like, oh, I should just like go too. And so I would get like anxiety. I feel like now I'm like, okay, like I'm fine. And like I have learned, because I've been living here for a solid, well, I've been here since January. Moved into my new place in March 1st, but I've been here since January. And I visited a million times last year. So yeah, I'm like over that now, but it was just funny at first, like having to cross the street was like giving me anxiety. I don't know. Anyway, so to go back to what I was saying, around Thanksgiving, decided to move here. My dad flew to Arizona. We took a U-Haul. I drove my car. He drove the U-Haul for all 3 days, bless him. It took us 3 days to drive from Arizona to their house. So we drove to Michigan. I dropped all of my furniture off and stuff like that, because I knew I was going to be traveling for pretty much all of November, December, January. So I didn't have a place to live. So I took all my furniture to my parents in Michigan. Then I spent Thanksgiving in Michigan, which you guys will actually see some of that. I know it's old footage, but that's what's gonna happen, so get ready. So we spent a lot of time in Michigan, I think a little over a week for Thanksgiving. Then I went to, let me think of the timeline. I went to DC for like a bunch of Christmas parties and activities, went back to Michigan. Then from Michigan went to Northern California to spend Christmas with my boyfriend and his family. We stayed there until January 5th. From there we went to DC. From January to all of January and all of February, we're pretty much looking for a place to live. And then found a spot and moved in here March 1st. So it is now like, what, towards the end of March. So we haven't even been in this place for a whole month yet, but it's the cutest townhome. I say townhome, I think he says townhouse. Is there a difference? I don't know. It's so cute. It's so tiny. I haven't lived in a place this small ever, I don't think, but I kind of am liking it. It's just so cute, and I'll show you guys. But yeah, so that's what's been going on in my life. Lots of like back and forth and uncertainty too. Like I didn't know if moving here was gonna be the right decision. I still don't know. All I know is I'm here for a year at least. I do miss Arizona, even though, well, I've been, you know, out of Arizona since November. So I definitely do miss it a lot. I just feel like I'm at a weird place in my life and uncertain about certain things. That's why I thought, you know, moving to a brand new city, having a completely different lifestyle, that would be kind of interesting, I think, to share my experience with you guys and vlog it, show you like the new townhome, and I don't know, just kind of vlog my life in this very weird point in my life. Not even anything to do with like the coronavirus, just I feel like at a very, like, I don't know what the hell I'm doing with my life kind of stage of my life, if that makes sense. That's how I feel. Would love to do like a Q&A if you guys have any questions. I'm sure you do. I get lots of DMs on Instagram, you guys asking me things, and it makes me happy that you're still like curious about me and my life, because I've been so absent on YouTube. But I do want to change it, especially because I know a lot of you guys are at home like I am, so we can hang out together. I was thinking of maybe doing like filming my lunch every day or my dinner every day or something, and just talking with you guys while I'm eating, and maybe you can watch the video while you're eating. I don't know, is that weird? I don't know. So if you have any questions, I can do a Q&A video sometime, probably not this week, but next week. So you can always DM me on Instagram or leave a comment on this video below. But yeah, lots of life changes, guys. I never thought I'd leave Arizona. I love it there so much. I lived there for like over 10 years, so that was definitely home for me. I have something in my eye. What was I gonna say? This place really isn't totally furnished yet, although I did just get this chest thing. Basically gonna turn it into a bar, so it's not done yet. On the inside there is a wine rack. There's like a wine rack with a bunch of wine in it, but it's just like a 2-tier on the inside. It's gonna be like our bar area. I'll link it below because I actually just bought it. I waited for it to go on sale and it's still on sale. I think 40 bucks off. So it's super cute. It also comes in white, but I just think it makes the perfect like little bar setup without, I didn't want an actual like bar cart thing because I just feel like it can look messy with all the bottles and all the trinkets and things sitting out. I just wanted something where I can like hide most of the stuff. So that's gonna be the bar. Videos coming up on the channel for the next week are videos that I never planned on uploading because I had been vlogging since the start of the move, like Thanksgiving and Christmas time and just random times in DC. I had been filming and like meaning to upload vlogs, but I would never film like the whole day. It would just be like, here's dinner, we're walking to this thing. Like it was never like a consistent like vlog that made sense. It was just clips. So I was gonna delete them all, but I have them. And I figure it's some footage of me being outside, doing things, not in quarantine. So I think I'm going to upload those pretty much every day till I'm done with them. But I'll intro them like in real time to let you know like what's going on, since I definitely didn't explain what I was doing in the vlogs. And kind of let you know like when it was from, although it's probably pretty obvious because Thanksgiving dinner and Christmas and all that. Actually, I don't think I got that much stuff at Christmas. I didn't vlog at all when we were in Northern California, which the last video I uploaded on this channel, which was the wine tasting vlog, I uploaded like a week ago. If you haven't seen it, I'll link it. But that was in Northern California around July, I think, or something like that. Next week of videos should be a little bit weird just because they're like pre-recorded from a couple months back. So stick with me. Hopefully you like them. And then it'll be like real-time quarantine vlogs. So let me know what you want to see. I think I want to show you like for sure my current like skincare and makeup products that I use every day because I haven't switched them up for years and I just want to like I think talk about them. Also like what I eat in a day. It's actually kind of changed since not being able to leave the house. I feel like I don't know if it's for the better. Well, I haven't been eating out as much obviously, although we have been getting carry out. My mom thought that was weird. Do you guys, have you been ordering carry out? I don't feel like it's unsafe, although you never know if the worker, the person preparing the food or dropping the food off could have it and they don't even know it, could have the coronavirus. So that's a little scary, but we have been ordering out here and there. What else was I gonna say? I don't know, I could just do like a what I eat in the day video. I don't know. It's gonna be wild. It's gonna be weird, but I was thinking after these pre-recorded videos go up, just like sitting and talking to you guys. Tomorrow's video will be like an apartment tour of the apartment I was in Scottsdale from that I lived in for like 3 years. Although when I filmed it, it was like in the middle or at the end of like packing to leave. Although you pretty much can see it in the back of my Instagram photos when I took like outfit shots, you can see the apartment. But I will show you in tomorrow's video my apartment that I lived in Scottsdale for the last 3 years. And then I can do some videos regarding this place. I've already gotten like a new rug. I didn't get that many like new things besides that because I'm trying to be like more minimalistic. My lifestyle, like the less things I have, the better. I think my only weakness is clothes, but even that, if you saw my closet, you'd think I was a minimalistic all around because I really don't have that many clothes. Speaking of that, I really need to buy some like cute comfy clothes. I have like 2 pairs of sweatpants and like just random t-shirts. Like I don't have any like super cute loungewear. And I just feel like I'm not gonna be putting jeans on for the most part while in quarantine. So maybe buy a couple pieces of like colorful loungewear. I could do a haul. That's a video idea. I'll see you guys pretty much all throughout the week. I might intro all the videos just sitting here like right now. just to get it done. So if you see me in the same spot in the same outfit for the next like 3 or 4 videos or however many pre-recorded ones I'm gonna upload, sorry about that, but once those are out of the way, we can get to vlogs within my tiny little townhome. So I hope that you guys are all staying safe in self-quarantine, if you're able to do that. My boyfriend is actually here, literally like 5 feet away from me. He's quarantined here as well, day 12. It's been, actually he's the best quarantine partner ever, like literally ever. It's an interesting time, that's for sure, but I love you guys, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.